Repair the door jamb by removing loose wood, rebuilding missing support, and creating a solid, flush surface for the new jamb. Start by assessing the full extent of damage and testing soundness with a light mallet and screwdriver to locate hidden splits and loose fibers. Carefully cut away splintered and rotten wood with a chisel and utility knife until you reach clean, solid material, keeping the cuts square and slightly beveling the edges to reduce future splitting. For gaps less than 1/4 inch wide, use a high-quality exterior wood filler or epoxy wood repair compound, applying it in thin layers and allowing full cure between passes. For larger voids, laminate in solid stock, such as a hardwood shim or a glued and screwed suture piece sized to bear load, then trim flush once dry. When replacing structural backing behind the jamb, fasten new blocking to the stud with long screws driven through from the inside face so the jamb will have continuous bearing. Counterbore and plug screws where needed to maintain a clean surface. Always sand repaired areas smooth and level to the mating jamb surfaces, then vacuum and wipe with a damp cloth to remove all dust before priming, sealing, or installing the new jamb to ensure adhesion and prevent moisture entry. Use corrosion-resistant fasteners and apply a paint or sealant coat to exposed repair zones to match the jamb finish and protect the repair. Common problems include leaving loose fibers that continue to split, which causes the repair to fail. The fix is to remove all unstable wood until only firm material remains and then backfill with solid stock or a compatible epoxy. Another frequent issue is undersized backing that allows the jamb to flex under load. Remedy this by installing full-depth blocking or glued and screwed backing pieces that transfer load into the stud. Finally, poor dust removal and lack of priming let fillers detach or absorb moisture. Always vacuum, tack with a damp cloth, and prime or seal the repair area before final installation. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and source practical advice for home repairs like this one. We also help contractors find work and participate in our active discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople share tips and experiences.